Creating playlists allows you to create mini soundtracks of your own to listen to whenever you want. Note that you do need to be a paid Last.fm subscriber in order to listen to these playlists in full in order. Anyone can create one, but in order to listen to it a certain way, you need to select a membership from here, last.fm/subscribers. Now to create one, click on the Library tab from the drop-down, and then Playlists. Then on Make a New Playlist. Your playlist also must contain at least 45 tracks from 15 different artists. Just make a note of that. Now you can give it a title by clicking here and add a description. You can also upload an image from your computer to go along with your playlist. To add tracks to it, click on Add a Track and do a search for a song title or artist name. Once you find what you want, click on Add. And this are now added to your playlist. Continue doing this until you've created the ultimate playlist. Then click on Done. You can reorder songs by clicking on them and dragging and dropping them into place. You can also share a playlist by typing in a Last.fm friend's name or someone's email address and adding a message. Another way to easily add tracks to a playlist is to click on Add to Playlist whenever viewing a track on an artist page. Then just select the playlist you want to add it to, or you can create a new one. When you're done, click on Add to Playlist. Thanks for watching, and don't miss the next episode in discovering music online with Last.fm.